In this video, I'll be walking you through how to disassemble a photoionization sensor, how to clean its lamp window, and replace its filters. To do this, you will need tweezers and gloves to properly complete these tasks without damaging the units. You will also need a polishing disc, a padding swab or Q-tip, and new filters if you're replacing your old ones. Make sure to power down the instrument before removing the photoionization sensor, otherwise you may cause damage. After removing the sensor, you may now start this process. To disassemble the sensor, you first will use the tweezers to carefully take the cap off. After removing the filter, you will remove the spacer, and then the cell assembly. You want to avoid touching the lamp window surface during the removal of these items. Carefully take out the lamp window by using the tweezers to lift it from underneath and take it out. Now that the lamp window is removed, you are able to clean it. You will need to get your polishing disc and lay it down on a clean, flat surface. In a circular motion, rub the lamp window on the disc. Make sure to be wearing your gloves during this to avoid touching the window of the lamp with your fingers. To assemble the sensor back together, you first want to make sure that the silver pads on the lamp line up with the connectors in the sensor body. Carefully put in the cleaned lamp or a new one if you desire. We will use the tweezers to set the lamp in the sensor and then use the padded swab or Q-tip to press it in. The cell assembly will go back in next. Make sure that the pins are lined up with the sockets. Now you will reinstall the spacer. After the spacer is in, we will put the filter back on, or a new one if you desire. Place the half filter on top of the full filter. You will set the filter back on the sensor with the half filter being over the cell assembly. The cap is keyed to snap on the sensor in a specific position. You will see a tab on the lid and notch on the body of the sensor. Correctly line up the cap and snap it into place. This completes the sensor disassembly, lamp window clean, and filter replacement for a photoionization sensor. If you have any questions, please contact us or check out our website for more information.